Now our next transaction is of 22nd January 2020, and this says return 10 Corolla windscreens to Mr. Majid. Purchase returns at rupees 12,000 per unit. Means we have purchased some items from this vendor earlier. Out of this purchase, some of the items have some problem, so that's why we want to return it. The procedure is very simple. I'll go to PeachTree. Now there is a specific area for it. I'll go to vendors and purchases. So credit and returns makes it very simple. New vendor credit memo. I'll go here, select the vendor, that is Majid. My date of return is 22nd of January. 22nd of January. Right now we don't have any credit number, so we will give it any number. Now we want to apply this return to an invoice, so I'll select 3002, that is that invoice number which we have purchased earlier. Now we are returning 10 Corolla windscreen at 12,000 rate. So only out of 50, only 10 Corolla windscreens are returned at 12,000 per unit. All of rest of the entry is okay. Now click on save. Now if you want to go back and see the journal entry effect, I'll click on journal to see the effect. Inventory is now credit and accounts payable is debit. Means exact reversal of what we do in purchase. So that's how we book purchase returns in PeachTree. Now let's confirm once that it asks for the second confirmation. No. So that's how we deal with purchase returns in PeachTree.